Are you looking for the best long-range drones? In this video we will look at some of the best long-range drones the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Matt Rice 300 Series. The DJI Matt Rice 300 series tops the drone line that offers impressive flight time range, speed, and camera. This is the most expensive drone on the market, however its features justify the cost. This is the best choice for professional mapping. In terms of flight, this offers impressive 55 minutes of flight time. The Matt Rice 300 has a large battery with powerful motors, making it one of the longest flight drones on the market. The drone has a range of 15 kilometers, which helps it to cover large areas without worrying about losing a connection. The speed of 23 meters per second makes it one of the fastest speed drones allowed to cover large areas quickly and more efficiently. This comes with a 960p camera that gives high-quality imaging and mapping ability. The camera is stabilized and doesn't give blur imaging. This has a weight of 3.6 kilograms, which makes it a bit hefty. This drone is suitable for commercial purposes. Pack light, fly free, at less than 249 g, it weighs about as much as an apple and fits in the palm of your hand. Compact and convenient, this small drone is your ideal travel companion, transforming how you capture your favorite memories. Max wind speed resistance, 8.5 to 10.5 meters per second, scale 5, operating temperature, 0 degrees to 40 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, operating frequency, 2.400 to 2.4835 GHz, 5.725 to 5.850 GHz. Max control speed, tilt, 100 degrees per second shutter speed, electronic shutter, April 1, 8000S. OKissing 2.0 video transmission, Mini 2 supports up to 10 kilometers of HD video transmission and has excellent anti-interference capabilities, giving you the ability to fly farther and see clearer. Powerful performance, with a max battery life of 31 minutes, DJI Mini 2 grants more than enough time to compose the perfect shot. Mini 2 can resist level 5 winds and take off at a max altitude of 4,000 meters, so your footage is stable even when flying along a windy coastline or high above an alpine forest. For X-Zoom, there's no need to get so close for your dream shot. 4x digital zoom makes it safer and more convenient when transitioning between shots of varying distance and composition. Number 2. DJI Mini 2. The Mini 2 is a drone that every pilot drone enjoys. This drone has the longest range, which is highly convenient for ease of travel and use. This offers 6.2 miles of long-range travel. The 4K camera offers aerial photos and videos. It has 3-axis gimbal stabilization. The 250 g weight makes it effortless to carry whatever you want. The battery life lasts up to 31 minutes, allowing sufficient time to capture the perfect shot. The 4x zoom makes it easy and smooth to capture images. The DJI Mini 2 is perfect for people who travel a lot as they are portable drones. This drone enables it to fly up to 6.3 miles away. This drone has excellent wind resistance and can handle a speed of 35.8 miles per hour. DJI Mini 2 also uses a foldable design that is capable of shooting 4K/30 frames per second videos and 12MP photos. Carefree creation, weighing less than 249 g, Mini 3 Pro doesn't require registration in most countries and regions. The foldable and compact design also makes it easy to carry on any adventure. Diagonal length, 247 mm, transmitter power, EIRP, 2.400-2.4835 GHz, 8 dBm. Antennas, 1T2 or operating temperature, -10 degrees to 40 degrees Celsius, 14 degrees to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Seriously pro shots, capture your world in remarkable detail with 4K/60 FPS video and 48MP photos. The advanced camera system supports dual native ISO and f/1.7 aperture for high-quality imagery, night and day. Perfect portraits in a tap, the redesigned DJI Mini 3 Pro offers true vertical shooting for portrait shots, ideal for social media. The gimbal rotates 90, so you don't have to compromise image quality. Sweet airtime. Enjoy an extended flight time of up to 34 minutes and capture and explore more of your surroundings. Upgrade to the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, sold separately, and enjoy carefree exploration for up to 47 minutes. Fly with confidence. DJI Mini 3 Pro features tridirectional obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0, bringing unrivaled safety to the Mini series. Number 3. DJI Mini 3 Pro. 34 minutes flight time. 18 kilometers range. 16 meters per second speed. 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensors. 249 G weight. 2.400 to 2.4835 GHz. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is perfect due to its size. The impressive flight time is of 34 minutes, which makes it the best category. The high-capacity battery has made the drone stay for a long time, which is great news for all drone enthusiasts. The range of 18 kilometers makes it the longest to make it capture aerial shots and videos to capture all the actions in detail. The 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor has stunning 4K videos and pictures which are capable of shooting at 60 frames per second. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is a compact and foldable drone that is perfect for people who travel. The DJI Mini 3 Pro has 249 G weight, making it the lightest one. The drone has everything you need, which has stunning 4K videos and pictures, making it further best. Number 4. DJI Mavic Air 2. The DJI Mavic Air 2 is leading the market. It presents a 48MP 4K HD camera, OcuSync 2.0, and 34 minutes of flight time. DJI Mavic Air 2 has 1.2 inches CMOS sensor 48MP high-resolution camera. The drone has a 1080p FHD feature to take some extra shots. The improved flight and better stabilization have three-way sensors with a gimbal on board to capture the aerial shots. The OcuSync 2.0 makes the video transmission from 6.2 miles and records mesmerizing shots. The drone makes the intuitive shooting function more memorable. The 2.0 spotlight helps in recording and active tracking 3.0. The DJI Mavic Air 2 long-range drone provides a good cost for money. It has a long-range drone that features an upgraded DJI transmission system of 2.0 OcuSync, enabling 6.2 miles to reach. The battery life of 34 minutes is another perk that makes it last in the air for capturing videos and photos. The obstacle avoidance system consists of obstacle sensors in 4 directions. This creates a safer path and has a foldable design. The Mavic Air 2 portable and foldable design makes it easy to transport. Up your game, the Mavic Air 2 camera drone takes power and portability to the next level. It combines a powerful camera with intelligent shooting modes for stunning results. Push your imagination to its limits because aerial photography has never been this easy. Next level content. Capture impressive 48MP photos with a half-inch CMOS sensor while the 3-axis gimbal provides 4K/60fps video. The secret to incredible HDR video is a high-performance quad-Bayer image sensor. OcuSync 2.0 has a video transmission distance of up to 6.2 miles/10 kilometers and can also deliver 1080p FHD resolution livestream directly from the drone's camera. Improved flight, an impressive flight time of up to 34 minutes allows you to pull off epic, fast-paced shots. Obstacle sensing in 3 directions makes it extra convenient for beginners and improves safety for your Mavic Air 2. Number 5. AUTL EVO 2. The AUTL EVO 2 is the longest range drone that has 3 options and specs: cameras and sensors. The AUTL camera can record up to 8K 25 frames per second or 4K 60p and fly for 40 minutes. The AUTL EVO 2 is a powerful long-range drone that can fly for 5.6 miles. The longest flight time of 40 minutes with a speed of 44 miles per hour. The forward, backward, downward, side and upward obstacle avoidance sensors are capable of a 360-degree obstacle avoidance system. The AUTL Pro has a dual version with an added infrared sensor along with an 8K sensor. The Autolev 2 can stay in the air for 40 minutes at 44 miles per hour, providing the longest flight time. This model has 3 versions depending on the 8K high-resolution videos. The 5.5K quality videos and 20MP images have 8K and infrared sensors. The Autolev 2 is a powerful drone that is not portable, has large in size, and is heavyweight, making it to transport or fit in a travel bag.